Today I'm with Motorola Moto G31 and I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. At the first, open box with the tempered glass. And the two wipes will be also inside. Okay, they just stuck right here. There it is. We got the wet and the dry. We are going to open the wet at the first. Right now just clean your screen. Remove fingerprints, greasy marks, dust and other stuff that you have on your display. After a few moves with this wipe, you will get rid of all of this stuff. Next you have to open the dry wipe. And just do the same. Remove wet marks cleaning. Wet marks after the wet cleaning. Right now, when your display is in a good condition, there's no any dust, no fingerprints, you can grab the tempered glass, remove this sticker. Right now, hold the glass like that and try to pour it correctly for the upper section of the screen. For example, like that. When you are sure that it's everything fine, put your finger here and then try to do the same at the bottom. When you are sure, just put the bottom part on the screen and take a look. Alright, right now we have to remove this kind of the marks. It's the glue mark. How we can make it? That's simple. Grab your wipe and just press on a very glue mark that you can find under the glass and it will disappear. Well, let's catch the focus. Okay. Right now, when we apply the glass, we can check screen sensitivity. As you can see, there's no problem, everything works fine. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.